Lofted pass, you're saying. Sponsor Mbappe. Bro, you want another Mbappe. Again, I'm playing QC, man. I was playing position again.
Portugal have it back and they can go again. And that's him. He's had a shot! The pass is intercepted.
Kylian Mbappe. See.
Goal! Portugal! All his own doing. Portugal draw first blood here.
Well, this will present the manager with it.
Now it's Mbappe. Mbappe!
Bus.
Different here, but ultimately there was no way through.
Well, the further he went, the more attention he attracted. There was just way too much pressure for him to get the shot.
I hurried to the pass.
Germany finding their passes. Played out wide. Rummenigge. Messi. It's loose now and they want to get it back.
Wow.
In for the
Wow.
Well, now it's a race for the ball. And that interception was most necessary.
Mbappe
it's a sweet
through.
ball that. Oh, great play! Now it's Forlan, and he's managed to get free. Now it's Beckham. He has found the way through. Oh, that's neat. That's good defending.
Yeah.
Kaká. Passing is crisp and sharp.
Forlan is nailing that, man. There's no chance.
17, De Bruyne, number 42.
No unnecessary risks, and the game is petering out here.
बहुत दूर है ना players. They're very far away from each other, man. That's what I'm like. थोड़ा मेरे को इस पे कुछ वो changes करना पड़ेगा. Like why they are so far from each other?